Hi everyone, welcome back to Accountant's Desk. We are starting a new series of short videos on accounting, simple and easy to understand explanations in just a few minutes. If there's any accounting topic you want us to explain, just drop a comment below and we will make a video on it. Let's get started. Why do all accountants record transactions the same way? Because of accounting standards and accounting principles. Have you ever wondered why financial statements look similar across different businesses? Whether it's big or small business, they all follow the same accounting language. That's possible because of accounting standards and accounting principles. In this video, let's understand both. What are accounting principles? Basic rules and guidelines of accounting. Accounting principles are the basic rules of accounting. They tell us what to follow when recording financial transactions. These rules ensure that every accountant records transactions in a consistent way so financial statements are reliable and understandable. Define how to record transactions. Principles guide how transactions should be recognized, measured, and reported. Example, the accrual principle tells us to record income when it's earned, not just when cash is received. This avoids misleading financial statements. Developed over time from experience. Example, going concern concept or consistency concept came from the practical experience to ensure financial statements are meaningful and comparable over time. Also called generally accepted accounting principles. GAAP. GAAP is another name for accounting principles. It's the set of rules widely accepted by the accounting profession. Following GAAP ensures that everyone reading the financial statements, investors, auditors, or management can understand and trust the numbers. What are accounting standards? Written rules issued by governing bodies. Accounting standards are official, written guidelines issued by authorized bodies to tell accountants exactly how to record and present transactions. Example, unlike principles, which are broad ideas, standards are formal rules you must follow. For instance, AS2 tells you exactly how to value inventory. Ensure uniformity in presentation and reporting. The main goal of accounting standard is to make financial statements consistent and comparable across businesses. Example, whether it is large company or small shop, following standards ensures investors and stakeholders can easily understand and compare the financial results. Example, ICI issues accounting standards internationally, IFRS issued by IASB. Accounting principles versus accounting standards. Accounting principles, these are basic concepts that guide accounting principles. Accounting standards, these are official rules issued by accounting authorities. Accounting principles are the rules in accounting. They shape how we understand and record transactions. Accounting standards are the official guidelines issued by the authority to ensure everyone reports in the same way. Accounting principles, these are broad, flexible, and conceptual. Accounting standards, these are specific, detailed, and mandatory. Accounting principles give freedom to apply judgment. That's why two accountants can interpret a situation slightly differently, yet both stay correct. Accounting standards ensures that statements remain consistent and comparable worldwide. Accounting principles provide foundation for recording and reporting. For example, consistency or accrual concept. Accounting standards ensures consistency and comparability in reports. Example, AS2, IFRS, accounting principle, for example, consistency or accrual concept. These guides how we record and recognize income or expenses. Accounting standards, these simplify exactly how to apply these concepts like valuing inventory or reporting revenue. Accounting principles teach us the why of accounting, and accounting standards define the how. Together, they make financial reporting reliable and uniform. I have already covered accounting principles in a separate video. You can find it in the description below. Make sure to check that after this video. From my experience as a bookkeeper, I have seen how applying the correct accounting standard can completely change how profits appear on paper. So, always check if a transaction needs treatment under a specific standard. For example, when recording depreciation, AS10 tells you exactly how to treat it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Accountant's Desk for easy accounting tutorials. Thank you for watching.